Morning, Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Chandler at our friends Dan and Brenda's house. We are continuing on with the drywall. We got the demo complete. We got all the countertops pulled, and we basically switched out all the outlets and all the so they all match. One thing we noticed while we were at it was there was no GFIs in this house in the kitchen area, so we added one on this part next to the sink, and this over here as well. So we pop those babies in. That's important because you want, if you were standing in a puddle and you drop electrical in there, you would get fried. That's why those are so important and need to be up to code. Also in this sink, we noticed a little bit of damage that was prior to us getting here, so we are going to fix this. Those are unforeseens. We had no idea, and the customer, once we healed up, once we pulled everything out of there, she realized there was damage in there. So the cabinet still has integrity. It's solid. Basically, all we need to do is put a piece of skin over the bottom of the cabinet there to repair it. So another thing we ended up having to do is there was two switches that were splitting right where this backsplash is going to come up to the bottom of the cabinet. And so we had to move this. We either wanted to move it into the backsplash tile or keep it where it is. The problem is there's usually a staple somewhere up here. So if we were to slide this over in the staples there, it'll raise this up. So then it would have been tucked up under this top of this upper cabinet, or underneath this upper cabinet here. So instead we have this option where there's two switches on one single, it's called a double stack. So they're toggle switches that just go back and forth to turn lights on and off. So that's nice to have that feature right there. Really helps out. And then this is the other part of the three-way. This switch also runs the lights as well. So yeah, so getting there. The thing about countertops is we pull the tops if we're just doing countertops, and then we have to get them measured, and then we're waiting 10 business days for them to get fabricated. So there's a little bit of downtime, but that gives the client time to come in and do their own painting, which they plan on doing and stuff like that. So in between there. So anyway, stick around. Can't wait to show you how this shakes out. We will show you, pick this up again once the countertop's going. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.